Hey guys, I just got this light kit for outdoors from Amazon and thought I would just open it up with you while I open it up so that you can kind of see what you're getting. I love white lights in an outdoor space. So anyway, simple little user manual here. We have a stake with some screws. And then we have these light bulbs that feels like it is plastic, which is probably really good for outdoors. So this must be an extra bulb, like a replacement bulb. Then we have this set. Let me zoom this out just a little bit so you can see a little bit better. So again, like all the plastic bulbs on here, you're going to have a hook here and also the ability to attach something here. So that's kind of nice because it can be hanging from something or it can clip onto the side of something, which I can see why that would be really handy. Then let's see what these are down here. I'll set that back in the box. All right. We have the remote control, which looks like it's got different lighting levels, like 25%, 50%, 75, 100%. You got a 3-hour and a 5-hour timer. So yeah, some other options like flash and yeah, just the general like up or down and then on and off. So lots of options there on the remote. Then we have what I believe is our solar panel. So it looks like we would just plug, where is the end of this? I think I saw that here. We're going to just take this plug here and attach it like so. So those will attach and then this part will screw together and then that makes that available for the solar. So it seems pretty simple to use. The 2 screws I'm sure are for mounting the solar panel. And I suppose you could choose to mount it or not mount it. I'm sure you could lay it somewhere also, but it'd probably be just going to stay in place, especially with weather if you mount that down. So yeah, this looks pretty cool. I'm excited to plug it in, get it charged up, and get these pretty white lights hanging. I could see how you could buy several of these too for a really large area. But yeah, this is going to be really pretty and I'm excited to get it set up. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you and I hope you have a great day.